Oh yeah, and go for Rainforest. Oh yeah, very nice.
Look, fish down here.
Fish. That's cool. Telephone.
Oh, the door's closing. Ew, they use the lizard skins. I'm locking you guys in.
Where's the lizard skins?
I'm gonna lock you guys in.
Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. We got to get some of these displays.
Yeah. Well, there's a little orange or something underneath here. Skulls.
Okay, we get that in a sec. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, very dark. You can't see them. Antelope skulls.
Reese is hurrying us. Come on, we'll go off get them here.
Here we go.
Creepy, but cool.
Gorilla skulls. Oh yeah.
That's a Norseman somewhere. Or that's the only one. No, there's stuff in here. You got the reptile too? You got this and then try to find this little green guy.
Oh yeah.
There's a turtle down there and all those bats.
Bats up there in the corner.
The turtle's safe because the light.
Turtle down there.
Oh, come over, come.
I'm coming.
Come on.
Learn about the bats. I'm coming. I'm coming. No, I'm taking my time to videotape this stuff. Are the gorillas in here? Can you see them?
Yeah. Sure. Way better.
Oh yeah, crocodiles. Oh yeah.
That would be fun if I was a gorilla.
Yes. It would. That would be fun if I was a gorilla.
Because look at the shape of the tree.
We sure got a big living area. Yeah, but they're way super strong.
Let's go.
No, I can get him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's their little pooper. Emma, come on.
So you guys are ready to go then?
If it's boiling, just go inside. Joe's right there.
Sunning themselves. Yeah, but the gorillas aren't out here. Yeah.
They gotta love their back.
Oh yeah. Nice. And out.
Inside the African safari.
Here we go.
I'm inside the African savannah.
It's the same thing. A safari is a trip.
Oh.
So we're in the African savannah on an African safari.
Hippo.
Hippos.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What's over here?
What are they called, Reese?
Rock rings.
Oh yeah. over there. Yeah. Here comes one. Hey, move. Go do something.
Looking around. Look, one's drinking water. Uncle Walter, there's Dave over here too.
Oh yeah.
Uncle Walter, look, there's a huge thing right here.
Oh, these are porcupines. Look at those ones.
That her getting shot by one.
Yeah. Sleeping porcupines. Anything over here to see? Nope, nothing over here.
Wait, what's in here? Oh no, there's
Nothing.
snakes.
Snakes in there. Nothing in there. There you go.
Snakes, little snakes.
Yeah, they're freaky snakes.
A hippo picture.
I've seen it. No, no, I'm
No, I don't see the hippos here today. Giraffes
These are huge.
and hippos.
That must be a couple, like a boy and a girl.
Yeah,
Or
they're
brothers.
just resting.
Look at how big they are. They're like sleeping together.
Who's making noises? At the hippos over there?
Guys, come over here, baby.
And it's time to go out.
Stared right at me. There's different kind of lions too.
Lazy lion.
There's the gazebo.
Oh, a wild gazebo. Go see the wild gazebo.
Picture of a zebra. Let's go see the wild
Right looking at me.
poles like that, and then there was no thing like this. So Brenda walks up, and the lion's sitting right there. She walks up, puts her hand up, there to the
The kids want to go see the wild gazebo. We're on our way. They're the inside of a wild gazebo.
with a whole bunch of bird nests. There's one there, there's one there, there's one
Oh yeah.
there, there's one there, 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 there's one there,
There
there.
are a lot of bird nests in here.
And
Yeah, we're coming. Okay, there we go. Let's leave the wild gazebo.
Uncle Walter, I have a hoodie.
Oh, nice hoodie.
Go, Uncle Walter.
We're taking a rest. Okay, when I come down, then you guys
I'll
can...
go in front of Reese and then I'll move like, and then go like,
Okay, here we go.
I call it the end. Dun dun dun! Dun 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 dun!
Okay, so what did you guys do today?
We went to the zoo. We had fun with Uncle Walter. We got ice cream. We got to the lion. Good thing we didn't get sprayed. Went in the dino park.
I call him Wally. I call him Wally, okay? Don't make me sad.
Dun, 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 dun,
Okay.
and we also went to the souvenir shop, or called the gift shop. Dun, 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 dun,
Okay,
dun,
say goodbye to everybody. This is the end of the video.
Just wait.
Yeah, but it's kind of windy.
Nah, just kidding. This is the end.
Oh, hold on, airplanes around. Okay, that's quiet.
Nah, just kidding. This is the end. Dun, 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 dun. Are you a girl? I don't know.
Sitting on the elephant.